What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm using my phone for today, or at least for this video, because I think someone stole my GoPro on my truck. I'm not sure, don't know, but what we're doing today is going to be putting in where'd it go? We're going to be putting together this guy here back on the quad, and we're going to see if she runs too rich after we jetted it, and let's just hope that it works out, because I don't feel like having to take this thing back apart again. Alright guys, we got the car back in there. So now we're just gonna put the seat back on and we're gonna try to crank her up. Alright guys, let's give it a crank. Oh, I forgot to put the throttle cable on. That's on, that's on. That's not good. Alright guys, well, jetting didn't work. Looks like I'm gonna have to find a kit for this to find the jets for it, because I think I made it a little too big because she's not liking throttle anymore. So we're gonna just we're just gonna go get some we call it jets, see if we can find some type of jets, or find a whole new carburetor, because I want a new carburetor for anyways, a bigger one. So so yeah, we'll figure it out. But for now, guys, that's where we're gonna leave her. We're not doing so good. But if you guys enjoyed the video, please like down below. Comment down below if you guys have any idea about where to get a kit from for injectors. Jets for this. And subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next one.